Hi, it's Kaleb.
Hey guys, so I want to apologize right now because I am having a pretty big sinus infection problem, so I'm probably not going to be sounding my best here. But Kaleb's got a few things to open. What are these, buddy?
Eggs.
Okay.
They're dragon eggs.
Dragon eggs. We found these at our local Dollar Tree, and they are Mega Bloks, and I'm hoping y'all can see that. Okay, there we go. They are Mega Bloks Dragons Universe Swarm Dragons, and these seem pretty cool. It says they have 10 pieces in here to put together, so that actually seems kind of cool. So we got 5 of them, all different colors. There's another one down here. So Kaleb will be opening those. He might need a little help with the plastic. They don't have any. Can't wait to see what are in these things. These seem so cool.
Yeah, they're so cool, and I like them. I like eggs when we go Easter.
What we really want to open is the Kinder eggs. But since we live in the States, it is illegal to buy them here. So, yeah, we would really love to get some of those. Those seem like so much fun. Ooh.
Got this.
Okay, hand me the list. So what color did you get?
I got blue.
It's blue. So here's what came inside of the egg. Honestly, collect all 24. So that is pretty neat.
I got this dragon.
What color is it?
Red.
Ooh, we got the red one. Okay, awesome. So this is how they come inside of the egg.
I like eggs.
So that's pretty cool.
I like eggs.
It doesn't have like a, hey, this is how you put this thing together list, so we're gonna have to kind of do this by guessing, I guess.
There, it's orange.
Okay, so this is a foot.
Foot?
Or is that an arm? Okay, here's the tail. Ooh, that one's a pretty one. Got to be an arm. It's a leg. Oh, wait, how does the wings factor in? Ooh, what color is that? Is that purple and gold?
No, it's only purple.
It's purple. Oh! Ooh, I'm not feeling it today, y'all. Not at all.
She's not feeling better because she's sick.
Yeah, I'm a little under the weather here. But that doesn't stop us from doing videos, does it, babe?
Yep, because you're taking forever.
I'm taking forever. Because this thing is, I mean, I got it now. It's no big... Okay. Hold it. Alright, so I finally got the thing put together. And these are actually pretty cool. So there's the wings are very soft and flexible. The tail has that little... He's a really good color. He's a really good color. And what's really cool with these legs, they pop in this little round I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like round. So it's very, very flexible. It's a very flexible leg. So yeah, I'm gonna put the others together and I will show y'all that here in just a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna put this last one together on camera for you guys just to kind of show you what we're working with. So here's the body, and of course there's all these little balls on the bottom. Those go on the bottom. Here's the head. That's a weird one. And that goes on this jointed, so his head does move quite a bit. Okay, and then here is the tail. That goes right over here. And then you kind of got to look really good, but here are his feet. There's on that side. Here's one for the other side. So got his feet on. And then here are, oh wait. Okay, this is see, these are kind of hard to decipher. I had one, okay. Here's the other foot. They look the same. It's kind of weird. And then here's the other hand. Okay, and now here are his wings.
I like these.
I know, they're kind of cool.
Yeah.
So that just pops right in there. And they're ready to be played with. And these things are kind of cool. I mean, for $1, they aren't that bad. So here's the red and grayish, I want to say blue hued toned one. I don't know if the light's picking up in here. Here's that one. And here's a neon orange one, yellow one. I really like this one. It's got the blue chest on the bottom.
And this one has a red chest.
You want to bring it up closer, baby?
Yeah. So there's the red.
You got to bring it up closer.
There's a blue one.
What other colors on that?
Green.
Okay. You want to show them this black and gold one?
This is kind of cool. They kind of look like cool, and they got spikies.
Sorry, guys.
They got spikies on here.
All right, and show them this one.
And there's the purple one because there's no handles on this one.
Purple and gold. I really like that. Here, yeah, there you go. Show it all around. That is so cool.
Hey, Mommy, they got the same spikies.
They do?
Yeah, I wish they get married.
Alright, well I guess that is it for today.
Thank you.
You're welcome, and hold the red one too. We thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and thumbs up. We'll see you on our next video.
Bye.
Bye.